Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share my 3D rigging tutorials full collections for my entire history in Freedom Arts 3D. The 3D rigging is a very fundamental process that you need to learn so that you can make sure your 3D avatar is able to move, is able to perform the motions and also the mocap. So you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, look at the first link that I had shared, the tutorial collections of rigging for 3D model. Click into the first link. It is going to lead you to my official sites. That's while browsing, if you lost inside my sites, you can just refer back to this YouTube channel, this YouTube video to find out the link. So this one. Alright, the first link. Once you click into that, you can just have a look. There are totally 4 pages. All of these rigging tutorials included some of the tutorials that using the AccuRig auto rigger. This is one of the app that's published by Reallusion, and also the AccuRig Pro. You can use the AccuRig Pro inside the Blender. It is also included some of like the manual rigging, etc. And you look at the different pages. There are different types of the rigging. For example, the rigging then after that sent to Unreal Engines. This is by using the AccuRig Pro in Blender, some of the game developing pipeline. It is really easy. Just follow the step by step for each of the tutorial. If you just click into that tutorial, then the video is inside. You can see this is the YouTube video. If you play, then you can click here to just maximize it. If you double click it, it is going to minimize it again. For whatever resources that you need inside the video tutorials, it is at the link at the description there. It is really easy. Right. By using this 3D rigging tutorial full collections, it is really easy for you to learn faster about the rigging and 3D modeling process, and it is really useful. Hope you like it. That's all for today about my sharings. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.